Hi, this is Alken. Welcome back to my channel. Interesting story showed up on my feed. Politics. Says Georgia appeal court sides with Trump in affirming dismissal of 6 state charges. By Eli Lee The Hill. I don't know. Well, let's see. Let's get into this. See what the heck is going on. Says a Georgia appeal court on Friday affirmed dismissal of 6 counts in the state 2020 election interference against President-elect Trump and his allies, holding a trial judge decision that the charges must be thrown out due to a lack of detail. I don't know if this is a Fani Willis thing or something else. We find that the indictment failed to include enough detail to sufficiently praise the defendants on what they must be prepared to meet so that they can intelligently prepare the defenses. Judge E. Trenton Brown III wrote for the 30-panel judge, which ruled unanimously or something. I don't know what the heck they wrote here. So Trump faced 3 of those charges, which notably involved his effort to pressure Georgia's Secretary of State, Brad Raffensperger, Rhino, to find 11,797 votes. Not manufacture, fine. Enough to overturn President Biden's victory in the state. You couldn't find it, you couldn't find it. Just saying you couldn't find it. All the charges dropped pertain to efforts to solicit Georgia officials to violate their oath of office, but does not impact the RICO Influence and Corruption Organization Act count that each defendant faced. The court that served as the foundation of the far-reaching prosecution, a judge last March dismissed those charges, also citing lack of details. This must be... The dropping of charges is also unrelated to Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis' appeal over her disqualification in overseeing the case. That prolonged of the case is also under the appeal process at Georgia top court. Early Friday, Trump team asked the court to dismiss Willis' appeal, which stems from her being booted off the case, followed the revelation of a relationship she had with a top prosecutor whom she hired to work on Manners. The copyright by Netstar Media. But the fact is that this is a case is winding down, and unfortunately did not produce or help the situation to indict Trump and put him in prison. It didn't work. So Fulton County mugshot is the closest he ever going to be around the jail in Fulton County. We're sorry to say that, but that was a great photo. It's now on lots of T-shirts, lots of merch, and so on. One of the biggest backfires ever until the Trump garbage truck came along. Yeah. Other people did not want it to take a mugshot of Trump because they're afraid that this was going to happen. But Fani Willis, knowing her, no, we got to have a mugshot of the former president. Yeah. That's too bad. I'll tell you what mugshot will not make any revenue. A mugshot of Fani Willis herself or Mr. Rockman, freaking whatever his name is. I'm sure that mugshot won't produce a dime of merchandise. Yes, I'm looking to see him in jail too. So, this case is coming apart, and hopefully the Georgia Supreme Court will tell Fani, no, we're not listening to this case. We had enough of this. You need to go. Bye. Then don't come back now you're here. We don't want to see you here again. No, no. You can take some Georgia peach and shut up with the sun don't shine. And drink some moonshine while you're at it because we don't give a shit about what you have to say. And I apologize for all the folks in Georgia who like peach pie, peach fruit, and moonshine. We had to do this at Fani Willis because she's the biggest Fanny of all the Fannies in Georgia. And I didn't come up with that one either, so I can't take credit for it. Yeah. So anyway, this is Al Kane saying so long for now, and don't forget your stuff.